Welcome everybody. Tonight we are going to love our lats. So I wore the infamous winged shirt because one of the things that we talk about when we talk about our lats, and you guys will hear me say this from time to time, and tonight you'll hear it even more, is I talk about spread your wings. And the reason I like this visual is because your lats connect here at your spine and they fan, just like these wings on my shirt, they fan down towards your tailbone and then out and across. They actually come even further than the wings. They come all the way to the seam of the shirt. They come all the way to the side of your ribs, and they do go up. Not quite as high as the wings do, but they do come up underneath your shoulder blades. So this is a fantastic visual when you're engaging your lats. It's not just about pinching the shoulders back. It's about using all of this. And notice how my arms kind of go outwards. So that's a lot of times when I say spread those wings, what I'm talking about. And we found ages ago that this shirt was a great visual for helping people understand how the lats really function. So that's item number one. Item number two, before we get into the moves themselves, is you're gonna want a rope or a towel or a yoga strap, something that you can pull on that does not stretch for several of the moves, because they are going to help increase our lat activation. We saw this a lot also in our Sugar Busters class, our hormonal balancing classes, and when we do some awesome arms work as well. So the rope is super important. I have mine right there in the corner all ready to go, but we'll make sure everybody gets a pause for a rope break in case they need it as well. So those are the things we're going to be addressing tonight. We do have some people who ended up having to miss tonight, so I know that they'll be grabbing that pre-recording later on in the week. Let's go ahead and get started. Reach scoop is next. Same thing with reach scoop. We're going to really maintain keeping that wing engaged and out and keeping the arms super straight. This is the other thing that really engages those wings. So toe out at 1 or 11, lunge into it, belly button to spine, scoop that tailbone under, lace those shoulders, ribs up, inhale, hunch, reach down on your exhale, feel that wing, reach and press to the floor. Inhale, hunch, reach out with the other wing. So the wings are not symmetrical right now. Inhale, reach out on that exhale. Think about the wing on the upper side, fanning out towards the ceiling. Inhale, push, stretch. Now, pull from the wing to fold in to that W. Inhale, exhale, reach out. Inhale, bend, tuck, exhale, reach up. Inhale, hunch, get that stretch. Exhale, tilt. Flip that palm down. Here we go. Stretch from the wing. 2, 3, 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make your bear claw and come down from the wing. So that whole wing just moved your body. Hopefully you guys felt that. I'll give you a back view real quick just so you kind of maybe have a visual with the shirt itself. I'll do it like we were just doing it. So you were here for your last one. Reach, stretch. This is what moves you down. So it's this pulling the arm and your whole body back into alignment. So think about that on this next one as we go the other way. Lunge, belly button to spine, lace those shoulders, ribs up, knee out, reach down, bear claw, reach away, bear claw. Inhale, hunch. Remember the wings are asymmetrical. Exhale, reach out. Inhale, reach, stretch. Here's your first practice. It's only to the elbow. Pull from the wing. Inhale, exhale, reach out, stretching. Inhale, reach, arm up, stretch it upwards. Inhale, hunch, bend, tuck, exhale, tilt. Palm down, here we go with the 8 stretches. 1, feel those wings. 2, 3, 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make the bear claw, reach, pull from the wing, the whole body to the side. Nice job. We're going to do 4 of those nice, super slow side to side with that super straight arm. Belly button to spine, laces tight, reach up, pull all the way. Reach up, pull, that's 1. Reach up, pull, that's 2. Reach up, pull, 2 more. Reach, pull, 3. Reach, pull. Last one, reach, pull from the wing, reach, pull. Feel the difference. Going super slow on that one makes a big difference when you're really trying to engage the lats. It takes a lot of practice to speed it up. Let's go ahead and grab some water.
Well, that was tough after all those weeks away.
Yeah, one of the things that's...
I like that arm movement, because sometimes, you know, if I try to do more than 2 sets of toe downs, and I look for ways to just jazz it up a little bit, and that's a good addition.
That's a great one. You can also actually, let me make sure you can see it all the way on camera. You can also jazz the hands this way and bring them in with the thumb up. So either option is available to you. I like this one because I find it easier to think about keeping my lats down when my palms face down, but this is another viable option. It gives you a little bit more right under the shoulder blade into your traps and some of those muscles as well versus straight down. But really, really, really a great, super fun variation. I don't remember what class originally we did that I came up with that variation for, but I really enjoy it. It also amps up your cardio a little more having the arms higher. So it's a great variation.
The wings and feeling like an angel tonight.
Yes, I almost said that at one point. Is think about your angel wings for sure.
It really felt good. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, it's great having you back, and look for more great moves throughout the week on the social media page. And in the meantime, I'll see you next time. Have a great one.